Car C200, it's a car was not starting. So what was the problem related to the car? So if you'll check the problem in this car, they're all current fault code, lot of fault code like ignition coil, open circuit, short circuit to ground, short circuit to positive. So I check individual ignition coil, all four, and I found inside the ignition coil this is the oil insert. You can see here too much, and I also smell this controlling because all ignition coil have short circuit to ground and short circuit to positive. So this is the location of the ignition coil ground. So I checked the location, it was the okay, and it's a fixed properly, no any corrosion, no any loose contact. But the problem was this engine control unit internal, it's a control unit was shorts. That's why this current fault was appear, and the car was starting a sudden off. You cannot accelerate the car, you cannot drive the car, just you start the car and then sudden this engine is shut off. So this ME was problem faulty internal, that's why we replace. So I will also show what are the current fault code in this screen, so it will help you. But in this car just you have to check the wiring easy, and if you found like oil here, so just you have to clean, and if too much, just you have to identify the location from where it was leaking. And then if the wirings are no any loose contact, no any corrosion, no any short circuit, then definitely if these are the fault in your car, so this will definitely it will go through the engine control unit. You can see another. So also I check the fuse and control and this wirings up under the fuse box, so it was fixed, and this is the fault. All you can say here is the has a short circuit to ground, short circuit ground, all ignition coil short circuit to ground, short circuit to positive. So if you find same problem, so this is the related for engine control unit, the faulty.